Hey
Yeah, they just
guys,
fight these niggas right here.
welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. If you're new here, my name is Jasmine and I did this look for the sake of my new background. I just wanted to test it out and try to get the perfect settings on my camera all set up and stuff, and then I was like, why not just do a look, get cute, do some TikToks, you know, pass the time. I hope you guys are staying safe, and yeah, if you want to see how I did this look right here, keep watching. Hey guys, so I just wanted to come on here and point out that I already did my skincare prior to filming, so that is why we see that part is skipped. I just didn't record it. Hey guys, so if I have not mentioned this foundation to you guys before, this is from Image Skincare and it is a super lightweight dewy formula that I have become obsessed with. It gives you just like the right amount of coverage to be home, but it leaves your skin so hydrated and so dewy and so natural looking. I really recommend this one. If you guys are looking to buy a palette that has it all, I highly recommend this palette right here. This palette is from Cover FX and it has a contour shade, a blush, two highlighters powdered, a brightener, and even its own finishing powder, which I use sometimes to blend the contour with the blush and highlight all together. It is so gorgeous and I highly recommend it if you have my skin tone and you're looking at this video and you want to know what's like your perfect contour shade powder. This one is it. If you guys have any other questions about this palette, please feel free to drop it in the comments below. You can find it at Sephora. I believe it came in a BoxyCharm also. So yeah. This baby right here has hit pan. I have been obsessed with this palette for years. I do not think they're selling it anymore, but it still deserves its own little voiceover because this palette is super creamy. The colors are gorgeous and pigmented. I am obsessed with the orange and gold tones that it comes with, even red. And the two very light colors that it does have is not white, which I love. There's an off-white and a beige shadow that matches perfectly with my concealer. So whenever I want to do something simple and cut my crease with just a natural look, these two shadows are my go-to. I have not found any other shadow like it before. So if you guys haven't, check out ColourPop, and their pan shadows, I believe, are like $4 if that. They are a must-have. Creamy, pigmented. I promise you guys, you're gonna love it. I am right here. I'm setting my concealer with it, and you can't even tell that it's been set. It looks like pure concealer. I mean, it's just gorgeous. Must have. And that completes this look. Throw on some lashes, maybe some liner, and you are done. This look is perfect for what we are going through right now. It's a quick pick-me-up, but still looks super simple because I'm at home. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoy this look and that you try it at home. Even if you're home, put on that dress, take those pictures. I love you all, and thank you.